Welcome, MWR Financial family. This is Darryle Banks coming to you live from Kingdom Builders, representing what it is we need to do to be sure that we're in the path of financial freedom. Okay, that's what we're going to talk about today. What we need to do to be sure that we have a hedge over inflation and financial freedom. Okay. This is MWR Financial, America's leading financial strategies company that provides everything you need to know to shift and grow your income. That's what we're here to discuss. And here we go. So why are we here? To talk about what? Money. Whose money? Your money, of course. The numbers I need for you all to write down, take note, is 4 numbers: 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4 challenges remedied by 3 solutions, achieving 2 objectives, all handled by 1 company. So what are the 4 financial challenges that everyone faces? Taxes, credit and debt, big business, and inflation. So we've all been conditioned to get a good job so we can do what? You know, the reason why we talk about education is because this is not taught in schools. This is why we're on the crusade to get this message out to each and every person in every household. Now, what happens is what? We give 1/3 of our income to taxes. Taxes are federal, state, local, sales, property, capital gains, etc. We accumulate debt by using credit to make up the difference, giving another 1/3 of our income to the banks with credit cards, auto and personal loans, mortgages, student loans, etc. Then the remaining of our 1/3 covers the living expenses. It goes to big business, which is gas, your groceries, your insurance, utilities, dining out, the monthly holidays, the events. We just recently had our latest holiday, which is Valentine's Day, and certainly a lot of money was spent. We're talking about millions of dollars were spent. Ways to be able to get that income shifted from you back into the pockets of big business. So we talk about the 1/3 that we have in the taxes, the 1/3 that we have with the banks, and the 1/3 that we have in big business. And now that all our money is gone, we still have to try to save and invest for retirement while trying to stay ahead of inflation. The cost of goods and services are everly increasing faster than the employees' wages. Now, this is something that was really alarming that I had a chance to read, and I just wanted to share this with you. It says that outstanding credit card debt is up by $57 billion. And a household debt is up 14 trillion. So everything is going up but the income. But we have a solution. So for the results of most Americans, 78% live paycheck to paycheck. 70% pay too much in taxes. 80% have credit challenges, and 90% are buried in debt. That leaves 70% of Americans with less than $5,000 saved by age 65. So now that we know how the income was shifted away from you, let's talk about how we can get that income shifted back. So what is income shifting? It's a financial strategy we use to shift income back to its original owner, you. So the 3 solutions that everyone needs to make this happen. 1 is cash flow management, okay? With that, we shift the income back to you. Then we have business income. That increases the income that you have developed. And then we talk about investment income. That's how you get your dollars working for you, because you cannot outwork money. With the cash flow management, we minimizing taxes, we're minimizing your debt, and we minimizes your expenses, okay? With business income, We increase your income, controlled and owned income. Unlimited residual income is then created. And then you have leverage income that's generated. With your investment income, you get those working dollars for you, compound interest, which creates the capital gains that you earn dividends, and then you have the business and residual royalties that follow behind that. So as a W-2 employee, we earn wages. That's taxed up to 37%. Employees work, employees pay taxes first. You spend what's left trading time for money. And again, there's nothing wrong with that. Having a job, not going to knock having one. I mean, I still work. But the thing is that you want to use the job as your fuel to move you closer towards becoming what? A 1099 business owner. With a 1099 business owner, you do gain profits that are taxed 0 to 23%. Business works, business spends first, and you're taxed on what's left. So you're beating inflation and income limits with the power of leverage. Then we move into what's called the investor. You all want to be an investor that earns the profits. That's taxed at 0% to 15%. The money works for you 24/7. Your money makes more money, and then you're taxed the least, which creates time and financial freedom. At the end of the day, that's what you want to be able to have in the palm of your hands, that time and that financial freedom. So the two objectives that works for everyone. You want to create that current lifestyle, the labor, and two, future lifestyle and investments. It's one company that does that all. That's MWR Financial, a financial strategist company that provides everything you need to shift and grow your income. So we want to encourage people to take advantage of the Make Wealth Real movement. With that, we're going to provide the American families with everything they need to overcome the financial challenges created by our tax, credit, banking, and educational systems. So you can live the current and future lifestyle you want. What our goals are with MWR Financial is to eliminate $50 billion in consumer debt, create 10,000 millionaires, and 150,000 six-figure incomes, which ultimately generates $100 billion in investment income. Now, how is all this made possible for you? Utilizing the cash flow management and investment income through our Financial Edge membership, or take advantage of the business income and the business ownership through our MWR Financial Business Opportunity. So we like to introduce to you the Financial Edge membership. This is your personal team of financial experts that use proven strategies to shift and grow your income. You're going to have everything you need to succeed, like a financial expert, without having to become one, because all experts do it all the work for you. Okay? You don't have to know how to do taxes. You don't have to know how to fix anyone's credit. You just show and explain to folks that you have experts working behind the scenes to get the work done for you. So let's take a deep dive into this with cash flow management and investment income. Cash flow management, we have what's called the Money Max program. The Money Max is a tax reduction strategies that actually offers the instant pay raise and asks an expert for unlimited CPA, CFP, and EA advice on demand. The tax experts get involved to show you how to stop overpaying in your taxes, use the business tax laws to help you pay less and adjust your W-4 for you. And the results is tax savings shifted back to you from the government. Then we have our Credit Max. Credit Max is our credit restoration strategy. This is designed to increase your credit score, lower the interest rates, monthly payments, and insurance premiums. And in turn, the credit experts restore, enhance, rebuild, and monitor your credit with an average score increase of anywhere between 50 to 150 points. Now, you just take your current credit score right now and add 50 to 150 points and tell us what that do for you. Okay, that makes a whole lot of change for you by having that increase. So the results is interest savings shifted back to you from the banks. Then we talk about equity max. That's our debt elimination strategy. The debt elimination system to eliminate all your debts in a record time without paying more. This debt system provides monthly plan of action that accelerates the payoff date and maximizes interest savings. And the results, you got debt payment shifted back to you from the big banks and big business. So you just think about it. If you had no debt at all, okay, what type of accomplishments would you have with no debt at all? I mean, just think about that for a second. That just changes the game on how you be able to move and shift your life with not having no debt at all. Then we talk about investment income, because after money max, credit max, and equity max does what it does for you, then you're going to have that cash flow to go into investment income. And with wealth max, you're going to have wealth generation strategies presented to you with the best ways to save and grow you and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss. If we say that again, tax-free with no risk of loss. This is what the wealthy have been doing for centuries. Now we're putting it on the table for you here. Our wealth experts will design you a wealth plan and set up and structure your private reserve account and land banking purposes. And the results is your money grows and works for you, and you become the bank. I mean, you just think about it. Once again, this whole thing about a private reserve account, this is all new to us, but this is something that's available through MWR Financial. So by owning an MWR business, okay, MWR Financial business, you make wealth real by increasing your income one digit at a time. So let's talk about how you create this income by having an MWR Financial business. You got 3 personal qualified directors and 1 outside customer in 30, 60, and 90-day momentum bonuses. So we want to get you on the fast track, fast start with your 3 and your 1. In 30, 60, and 90 days, we're going to break down to you what kind of income you can generate starting out. So in 30 days, we have a momentum bonus of $150, okay? That's if you personally enroll 3 QFDs in 30 days, that pays you $150, okay? For every person, that you sponsor, that pays you $50 per person. Out of those 3, that's $150. You enroll 3 who enrolled 3 in 60 days, it's going to pay you $450. Then you have your 1 outside customer. The 1 outside customer that you actually enroll into the Financial Edge membership pays you upfront $40. Then your 3 who enrolled 3 in the 90 days will create you a $900 momentum bonus. So you have a total of $340, which is actually a whole lot more income that you would generate that it would cost you to actually get into the business itself, for a total of $1,500 that you create by the end of your 90 days. And that can be done. I did that in less than 30 days. So the money and the opportunity is definitely real. So then what happens is that you have your DQ qualifier, and that actually puts you with having the 3 qualified teammates get your $5 a day daily and your monthly guarantee of $150. That's a daily guarantee, okay? Just say you go out and you get 12 QFDs in your business. That takes you to $20 a day, $600 a month, guys. It's okay. I mean, that right there just changes a household income tremendously. So with our 4, 5, 6, and 7 digital residual income strategy, you have a presidential bonus that you can create, and also there's a luxury vehicle club bonus that's available for you as well. Everything becomes point driven as you continue to build your business. And we have a whole spread presentation on our income producing part of our business. So certainly inbox me for more information on that there, and we can dive into that part of our program. But we want to share with you just real quickly that you can generate a monthly income of $11,500 or $138,000 a year to you just by following our strategies. We have 10 ways that we actually have to show you how you can get paid here. And there's more ways. So you get a 25% check match. You get up to $75 in coding and leadership bonuses, 25 to 50% presidential bonus in the check message. And also there's personal and coded customer residuals that you receive as well. So let's take another look at this here. You just learned about one company that can help you achieve 2 objectives by providing you with the 3 solutions needed to be remedied by 4 financial challenges that everyone faces. And we've identified that. So with our Financial Edge membership, okay, this program is $79.97 a month. This includes your spouse. There's no setup fees, no contract fees. And if you refer 3 people to the Financial Edge membership, MWR Financial is going to reward you for your efforts in doing so by waiving your $79.97 monthly fee. You could take a look at the MWR Financial Business and membership. That's $228.97 for your first month, then $119.97 monthly. And that's covered by your instant pay raise. So just think, anything over 120 plus covers your $119.97 to operate your business. That's huge. So the business and the membership would include your Biz Center, your Financial Edge membership, website, your capture systems, your marketing materials, your training and unlimited support, and the 3 solutions you need to succeed: cash flow management, business income, and investment income. Now, I love when I read this part right here. We guarantee your success. If you follow our plan of action and our strategies and experts are not able to save or make you more money in your first 30 days, MWR Financial will give you a full refund. I stutter on those words because we're talking about guaranteeing your success. We have yet to give anyone a refund because we know the program works, okay? And there's proof that our program works because we prove it first. So that's huge, guys. That's huge. So I ask you, are you a 3, 2, or 1? If you say that you are 3, then hey, Darryl, I like everything I'm hearing, but I'm okay. I got all the money I need. I got this money thing figured out. Okay, great. If you say that you're a 2, you're just interested in the membership only. I like what I see. I need those services. I got some financial issues. I need to get some consultants. Great. If you're a 1, that means that you're just ready to go ahead and just jump in and join this crew, just make Wealth Real movement, okay? And take advantage of the whole opportunity, the whole shebang. All right? Very simple. With that being said, we want to welcome you to the MWR Financial family. It's been an awesome opportunity presenting to you all. I hope that you've seen and heard enough to be able to make a decision, and we look forward to seeing you over the top. This is Darryle Banks, the Kingdom Builders. Thank you again.